Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be talking about some new makeup and things that I picked up recently, just new stuff that I bought, and I'm gonna show you, I guess you could say, things that I'm excited about. So first thing is from Tower 28. So I've actually never bought anything from Tower 28 before, and this was a new launch. So this is a lip gloss from them. This is called the Milky Lip Jelly. Milky Lip Jelly. So they had glosses before, but they came out with new shades, and these shades are beautiful. This is specifically in the shade Cashew. Like, look how pretty this color is. And this lip gloss was only $14, which I don't know why I'm like so shocked by that. I feel like that's pretty cheap for a brand from Sephora. Wow, no smell. Like, I can't smell the product. Wow, that's weird. So here is Cashew. Like I said, beautiful color. Next is another lip product from Fenty. So this is the Pro Kissr Luscious Lip Balm. This doesn't really have a scent either. So this comes in a tube with like a little, you know, dippy thing. So this is a colored lip balm, I guess. And this is in the shade Pinch Me, right there. Alright, and another lip product I got, this is from Marc Jacobs. They were having a sale on all like Marc Jacobs lip products. This is an old product of theirs, but I've never tried it before. This is their lip gloss stick. So it looks like it would be a lip gloss tube, but it's actually a stick. So this is the shade Mocha Choca, and there is Mocha Choca. So those are the three lip products I got from Sephora. I do have more lip products from Cosmetics. Oopsie. I'm actually going to finish up the Sephora products. So I picked up two products from the Inkey list. So these are actually two new products. I've never used these before. Oh my god, I just realized something. So I picked up this Retinol Eye Cream from the Inkey list, and I didn't realize that it said 25 or older. And I was like, oh, like, I'm not 25 yet. But I'm literally gonna be 25 in like 3 months. So that's pretty sad. Yeah, I guess this is a little gift to me for my 25th birthday, some Retinol Eye Cream. No, but I've slowly been incorporating retinol into like my face routine. I don't use it that often, maybe like once or twice a week, but I wanted to start using a retinol eye cream, and this is obviously like a super affordable one, so I'm excited to try that out. And then the other product I got from the Inkey list, this is their Oat Cleansing Balm. So it says help remove makeup and cleanse sensitive skin. So I'm assuming since it's a balm, it's going to be some sort of like oily balm. So it could be really good for removing makeup. So I'll probably use it for that. Also, I feel like this could be good just for like the winter months. My skin is going to get drier, so I'm going to want to use a more hydrating cleanser. So this is another one I am excited to try. Moving on, I picked up a few things from Cosmetics, which is Michelle Phan's makeup line. I first bought this little lip kit. It came in like this little bag. So these are just two mini lips, and it's a lip gloss and a lip cloud. So a lip cloud is like her version of a liquid lipstick, except I don't think they dry down completely matte. I don't believe they do. So I'm gonna swatch these. So here is the lip cloud. This is in Rose Nude, and this is the gloss in Secret Blush. So I thought this would be a good way to try out some of her lip products without purchasing like two of the full-sized ones. I also picked up one of her lip luminizer cushions. So this is what the compact looks like. This is essentially a like lip gloss stick formula, or I guess you could say it's like a lip balm. So this is in the shade Venetian Rose, which is that shade right there. And then the last thing I picked up from Cosmetics was one of her Heaven's Glow blushes. So, wow, these look so beautiful. She has 2 shades, so I wanted to pick up this one. So here is the packaging, super big and pretty. So this is a Luminous Blush. This is the shade Faded Clementine. It is beautiful. It's like a baked formula. It is stunning. So pretty. And the compact's nice. It comes with a mirror inside. And here is what Faded Clementine looks like on my hand. So that's all for this little haul. I didn't pick up too much stuff, but I kind of wanted to go through each thing individually and kind of swatch it and talk about it specifically. I just like videos that go a little bit more in depth rather than like me quickly telling you what I got, but then you like don't see a swatch or you don't get any like information on it. Just saying. So that's it for this haul. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.